Guys, let's make a Sunday lunch. So today's Sunday lunch is going to be involtino. Involtino is South Italian food. So I'm going to be taking you guys along the process. So let's get cooking. So over here, I've got garlic, this pepper, chili pepper, mpuros in my language, diavolo in Italian. And this is parsley. I'm going to be using toothpick as well. And this is the meat we're using. The meat has to be very tiny. Salt is over there. So we're going to start by slicing everything. Garlic, pepper. I'm going to be adding a little bit of salt as well. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of salt here. So the next step is to start folding the meat. So this is the piece. The meat has to be this tiny. Okay, don't do this with the thick meat. So the first thing I'm going to be doing now is, so the next step is to add a little bit of the mixture, parsley, garlic, and pepper, salt mixture. Add a little bit of cheese. Fold them. So we're going to start cooking. I'm going to be using two different pans for this. So add oil into your pan. So I'm going to be adding the meat. I'm going to roast both sides of the meat before adding the red wine. So 2 minutes is enough for each side. I'm going to flip them over and allow them to roast for another 2 minutes before adding red wine. I'm going to be going in with red wine. Allow the wine to evaporate. The alcohol is not evaporating because I don't have the lid of this pot. I'm going to transfer this into a deeper bowl. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Be careful with the salt because the meat already have salt inside. I'm going to top it up with pepper because my kids love this so spicy. Now I'm going to add any tomato sauce you have. I'm using Muti. So I'm going to stir. After stirring, I'm going to break in some basil leaf, some parsley leaf. Just break them. You don't need to chop them. Stir. Test for salt. You can always adjust the salt. Now I'm going to put the lid on and allow to cook for 1 hour on a medium-low heat. So the sauce is cooked after 1 hour. You can actually make this sauce for 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes if you don't have time for 1 hour. But it's best to cook this up to, it's best to cook them for an hour. So this is the final result. I hope you enjoy it. Give it a try. I know you're going to love this recipe. And for the pasta, I'm going to add the pasta, add the cheese, mix everything together. Okay guys, this is our Sunday lunch. Thank you for watching and see you guys next. Bye.